This is Kyxz. He's a self-studied engineer who built his own flying car, which we filmed him flying last year. Today we're here at Taal Lake watching him test a new project of his, a rescue drone. He's working on a project right now and it's a rescue drone. So this, when it's going to be released, is going to be a drone that can rescue people from firing buildings, from floods, etc. So they're trying to do some tests right now. Today he's doing a sample water rescue. So let's see how it turns out. There's someone that's gonna be out in the water and he's gonna use the drone to rescue them from the water. Let's talk to Kyxz and he'll explain a little bit more.
So this is the second set of batteries. Tapos na namin subukan yung pag-rescue using the buoy. And it's a success. Nakita namin yung mga kailangan namin i-adjust when it comes to power, speed. Kasi sobrang lakas niya, more than in-anticipate namin. Which is a good thing. Kasi sa halip na hihilahin lang namin yung tao, umangat siya. So ngayon we're gonna try to keep it just slow and steady. Susubukan naman namin gamit yung Sea-Doo. Isa lang yung rescue namin. And then eventually we'll see if we can pull two guys. I'm very paranoid when it comes to build. I always assume something will break, so I double everything. Sometimes I even triple it. If one fails, it still flies. Kasi dalawa pa kayo. Keep a good distance. So we just finished testing the rescue drone. Instead of waiting for a helicopter, which is very expensive, you can put this on top of fire trucks, bring it to the site where you have to rescue, pull them to safety, come back, and then kapag naubusan ka ng baterya, let's say half an hour, repack ka lang. May chance ka na makaligtas ng tao dun sa mga situations na almost impossible before. Nakuha din namin yung mga datas na kailangan namin when it comes to power and flight time. So now we're almost ready to make a manual for this and start selling it. Whoever needs it, whoever is gonna be interested, just get in touch with Star 8. They'll take care of you.
I'm staying in touch with Kyxz and it's so fun to see what he's working on. So I'll probably be filming more videos of him this year. He plans to release a 2-seater drone sometime this year. So that'll be so cool to see. Kyxz is also such an inspiring guy. He had a dream and he decided not to let anything get in the way of that and built himself these drones and a flying car, and now he's signed with a company that is able to fund all his projects. Here's some advice that Kyxz has to share to those who are thinking about pursuing their dreams.
If there's any advice, it's if you believe it and you think you love to do it and you think it's for a good cause, there shouldn't be anything to stop you. You don't need other people's opinion. Because if I listen to people's opinion, then right now I would be stuck in my room, probably doing nothing. What do you think you're capable of? And even if you're not capable, what do you think you're willing to do to be capable? Because when I started, I wasn't an engineer, I wasn't this and that, but I was willing to do my homework. I was willing to not sleep, to do my research. I would rather be in YouTube learning stuff rather than hanging out in Instagram and Facebook. Right now, on this day and age, there's no more excuse. There's so much information in the internet, you can basically be anything that you want. There's even places where free Wi-Fi, so it's free knowledge. Your first mistake will be thinking about money. It's a big thing, financial. I struggled with that with my project, but I never saw it as a problem. I always just have to figure out how to get it. Oh, walang budget. So what? Now, how do we get a budget? How do we do it? Do I teach dance? Do I do filming? Do I build drones and sell it and profit from it and start funding this project? I told myself, in 10 years time or 20, 30 years time, if I don't do this and I see this flying everywhere, I'll regret it for the rest of my life. Parang ikaw, si Jeremy, nafe-feel niya na I love filming and I know I can film, I know I can edit, I know I can direct. So I have to do it. I gotta do it because it's my calling, it's my whatever you wanna call it. For me, it's life. And for me, building technology, doing DIY projects, it's life for me. I never stop learning. So yun lang yun. Kaya yun.
Thank you.
No problem.
So good.
No problem.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.